Well, hello, and join me in today's ride to Congleton bike shop for an overdue service. How about for a challenge this morning? It's time for some action. I'll try to show you the right figures as much as possible, but you can realize by my deep panting that is not easy. Bring it on. Bring it on. Oh shit, maybe not today. On the way to Timbers Brook. I'm on Gooseberry Lane around the cloud. Yeah, baby. I think it serves as a bridleway because there are some fresh horse dung here and there. So I wouldn't be surprised if I encounter any horse on my ride today. Holy moly. Thank you. Following along Gooseberry Lane onto Timbers Brook. Thank you. And back on bridleway. Yuppa! A quiet lane. Running parallel to a bit of valleyway. Okay. And we are in Congleton right now. And here it is. Cycle Center. So I'm just heading back from Congleton shop, cycling shop, only to find out that my freer body and more likely the cassette is making some creaking sounds. It's such a lovely bike, but there are some components which are really absolutely rubbish. Come on, Kona, you could do it better. Ay, ay, ay. Careful. Here we go. Follow the track. That's another leg of perfect gravelly section in Biddulph. Thank you. I'm on National Cycle Network, heading from Biddulph Valleyway onto Kids Grove, number 5, as you can see. Let's carry on. Whee! So we are on Chatley Whitfield right now. Thank you. Heading back home. I'm feeling brave, so I'll try a bit of climbing. Why not? So let's push it. Bring it on. Still got some grip and traction on the bike, so really doable. Up the red ash. Okay, I think we've got steepest section behind me. Steady but working. That's a hell of a difference between this bike and my gravel, which is still over 12 kilo, but climb wise nowhere as comfortable as this one. Wow, we made it. Time for some more snacks. Oh, I need to top up my energy levels because I'm running quite low now. So my faithful warm walnut paired up with the medjool dates, of course. Sweet. Bro. Here it is. Chatley Whitfield. Whee! Ooh. Some dust surface. Okay. Yeah, I'm still in Stoke, just so you know. So here I am onto Leek Canal branch, heading of course to Leek. I think it's actually Congleton Canal, but correct me if I'm wrong. So we're heading junction now onto main Leek Road, straight from canal. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. So I'm following Congleton Canal to Leek. Oh, what a perfect view. Absolutely ideal property by the canal. Great. Back on 550 National Cycle Network along Congleton Canal, leading to Congleton and Leek. Peace and quiet. Oh, oh, how vain!
I thought you'd left it in there.
Nah.
The wonders of technology.
Hi guys, this is the end of my trip, so if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below, and if you're happy, why not head back to my Komoot profile to download this and many other routes, and maybe why not consider showing some appreciation and buy me some coffee. So I'll see you in my next episodes. Bye.